In this video, I'll show the first steps that we do after downloading a new Goldstack template. So we first just click on download here, which should download a zip file for us. The next step that we're going to do is just extract that. And now we open it in Visual Studio Code. And it will ask us whether we want to install some recommended extensions if they are not already installed. Please click Install here when prompted, and it will install ZipFS, Prettier, and ESLint. We can close all this. Now next we can install the project, for which we will go to Terminal, New Terminal. And now we just run yarn, but before we do that, we just double check that we got the right dependencies installed. So we should have node version bigger than 12. It should show us a yarn version bigger than 1.5. And we need to have Docker installed as well. Now, in order for the project to install all its dependencies, we just type in yarn, enter here, and it will download all the packages that are used by the modules that we have selected. This should usually take maybe 1 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once we are done, you should get a message such as the following, where we don't have to worry about the warnings here. If it says done with warnings, that means everything has gone as expected and the project is ready. Now we can also check if all is all right with our modules by building them, which will transpile all the TypeScript into JavaScript. Finally, we need to get our VS Code ready. So for this, we just have to find a TypeScript file, and usually we can find those under Packages, where it will then list the modules that we have selected. So I just select one module here, and then under Source, there's usually a whole bunch of TypeScript files. So here I just open one of them, and upon opening them, VS Code will ask us, this workspace contains a TypeScript version. Would you like to use the workspace TypeScript version for TypeScript and JavaScript language features? And we have to click Allow here. And now we can validate that we are all set up correctly by looking at the bottom of the screen here. It should say TypeScript, then some versioning number in PNPify, which is used for the Yarn workspaces support, then ESLint and Prettier. And now if we write some code here, ESLint and Prettier should be active. And yeah, from here the project is ready to be worked with. For further getting started guide, I would recommend to go into the individual getting started guides for the modules that you have selected.